Hello everyone, this is Pavan. I'm going to explain how to create calculator by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript for beginners. Let's start. Title, my calculator. Okay, we're going to take body section. This I'm taking on div tag and align center. Taking on form tag name and taking as a forms. Inside this, take one div tag calculator as a class selector. Inside this, we are taking one input box type equal to text. This we use to display the output. ID selector I'm taking here. Take one break tag. Again take input tag type equal to button. From here onwards we will take buttons only. Value, but value for this button I'm taking is AC on click event. When we click on that AC button, what will happen? We need to write the function for that. See the forms dot scr screen dot value. It means the value it will display it here. Screens is the right forms dot screens means this one, this input box. That value is taking from this here. So next value. Next button is back button. Here we need to implement small JavaScript function. We will write later. Here percentage. Here it is plus value. Adding that one, concatenating whatever you click on that button. Break tag. Save and refresh. Open in browser. Refresh the browser. See. Okay. Next slide. Seven, 6, 6. Sorry. 7, 8, 9. I have to give 8, 8, 9, 9. Then minus. Save and check output. 7, 8, 9 minus. Okay. I'm going to copy same. 4, 4, 5, 5 6 6 multiplication symbol for asterisk, check output full. See, equal to here we need to remove that plus, here concatenating not required. See, now the all buttons are ready, functions also ready. 1 plus 6 equal to, oh, let's check this thing is wrong here. Okay, sorry. Here we need to evaluate the function. Forms dot screen dot value. It will calculate that value. Now check it. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Okay. Now we have to write styles for this calculator. Style. You're using one ID selector as a answer, right? Here for output area. For that we have to take width as a 320 pixels, height 200 pixels, height 200 or 250 pixels. I'm taking broad input, output area. If not required, you can reduce the height. Border radius required. Border radius. You can give 10 or 13. Depends. Okay. Next. Class operator we have taken. Calc. This one. Background color. I'm taking blue color. Adding 5 or 10 pixels. I'm taking here 10 pixels for better view. Display inline block. You can take inline. Next, for input tags. This is very important one. Font size. You can take 25 to 30. Now I'm taking here 25. That's looks feel better. Width 70 pixels. Height 60 pixels. Margin 5 pixels. Border none. border none, border radius 10 pixel. Check the output. See. Okay, now check is it working fine or not. 74 minus 54 okay, working. 7 8 backspace. So this button, click on back button is not working. So we need to implement JavaScript function for that. Let's start scripting. Variable backspace function variable value equal to document dot get element by id. What is our id? Answer. This id we are talking about. Dot value means it will take the value from this input field. Get element by id. Again same. Sir dot value equal to value dot this value means this one but substring we are using one JavaScript method substring 0 comma 0 from 0 index to value dot length minus 1 it will it's do minus 1 for the from the length what is the value from the length reduce the one value. So this is the function. Refresh and check output. This working. Okay, this is the code for this calculator. This is the output. Here we can if you want you can add even title also here from header something abcd or some name some XYZ name. If you don't want output area this much you can reduce the height of the input area. If you say 30 pixels see the output. Sorry, input not the from the input area. We have to answer. Your answer is there at 200. This one I take 100. See, it's look like better. That is your choice. How it could be. Yeah. Hey guys, this is the calculator application by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Pawan.